Okay, so I'm running a bit late today, so I thought it'd be the perfect time to make my quick lunch. Today we're going to do a little bit of a stir fry. I've got kangaroo again, so leftover from the other day. I'm just going to slice this up. Nice and thin so it cooks quickly. That will do. Got a bit of olive oil in our pan. I also have some rice noodles here. Just going to open these up. I'm going to go to a bowl. Place them straight in. They have little ties, so you just have to cut the string off. Another one. I'm going to keep this in the bowl. Get some boiling water and pour them over the top. Just let them sit there. Beautiful. Okay, so we've got our kangaroo. Now let's add some onion. Half an onion left over from the other day. Throw this in as well. Our tongs. Very quick and easy recipe if you're in a hurry. So I've got some garlic as well. I'm going to add some garlic in there. Maybe a teaspoon. Just chop one carrot. Also got some corn. As you can see, these are little things I've just had left over from the previous day. So utilise those ingredients with my stir fry. Got some spinach, I'll put this in at the end. I'm nearly done already. Just going to add some sweet chilli sauce into that. I'm a big fan of sweet chilli sauce, so you might see me use it often. Don't use too much, there's a lot of sugar and salt in there. I'll put some spinach in, just a small handful. Got my rice noodles that have been soaking, that are already softened. I'll drain those. Get all the water out of it. Get all the water out. We don't want water in our stir fry. Just simply add those in. Give that another mix around. And we're done. Very, very quick and easy stir fry. This is probably too much for one, so I'll have half now and half later. I'll put it all in there, why not? My mum always says I'm a growing boy. And there it is. Simple, easy stir fry.